Okay, question number 23 is just like question number 22, except instead of plotting the points are already plotted, and we have to figure out the coordinates of each one. We're still going to start here at 0, 0, the origin, and we're going to count over. So the first one that I want to go for is this f. I want to try and figure out what that f is. So I'm going to start here at 0, 0, and I'm going to count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means my y value is going to be negative 5. It's negative because I was going to the left. Then I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3. That means my x value is negative 5. My y value is negative 3. So f is going to be at the coordinates negative 5, negative 3. So now we're going to go to g. And g, we're starting at 0, 0 again. But if you notice, to get to g, we don't have to go left or right at all. We just go straight down. So we're just going to go, our x value for g is going to be 0. And then we go down 1, which means we go negative 1. So g is going to be the point 0, negative 1. Now we go to h. We're going to go to the left again, 1, 2, and then we go down 2. So that means h is going to be to the left 2 is negative 2, and then down 2 is also negative 2. Now i's on the other side, so the x value is going to be positive, so we go over 1, 2, and then we go down 1, and that point's going to be at 2, negative 1. And then our last one, j. J is we go over 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we have to go down 2. So we go to the right 3, which means positive 3, and then we go down 2, which means negative 2. And that's finding the coordinates of each point. Make sure you guys always think about it going x and then y, x, y, x, y.